Good morning, students. Myself Swapnil Board from Shakti Vidyaniketan, Malda. Up to the last lecture, we have completed the first chapter of EVS 2. Now, from today, we are going to learn the second chapter. The name of the chapter is History and the concept of time. Now, you know that time is continuous; it is not stop for everyone. Okay, so that time goes means from ancient period up to present period and also for the future period. Okay, so time is continuous, it is not stop. There are different methods of recording time, means there are different methods of measuring time. In this chapter we are going to learn 4 points. In that, first point is division of time and the timeline, means how the time of the ancient period up to present period is divided, that is division of time and the timeline. Then second point we are going to learn is measurement of time and method of measuring the time, which are the different methods for the measurement of time as well as different methods for measuring time. Third point is historical periods. Okay, means how the different periods are classified in history, that is historical periods. And the fourth point, scientific method of measuring time and establishing age, it is called as carbon dating method. Okay, so by scientific methods, how the time is measured from the ancient period up to present period. Okay, so these 4 points we are going to learn in this chapter. So first point is division of time and the timeline. Division of time and timeline means from the period where the earth is established or the community of people established on the earth surface, from that period up to present period, how this time gets divided, we are going to learn in this lecture. Okay, so there are different methods of recording time. So many different people, they measure the time in different units, and there are different methods of measuring time. The time is continuous, means from that period up to present period the time never stops, means time is continuous. Okay, but for our convenience we divide it into periods. So to recognize the time, many people they divide this time into periods. Okay, the time that we use for recording time depends upon our purpose for dividing it and the manner in which we do it. Okay, for example, at sunrise we say it is the morning. Now you know that every day in the early morning there is a sunrise. Okay, near about means 6 o'clock or 6:30 there is a time of sunrise. Okay, you know that. So when sun rises, at that time we always say that now it is the morning. Okay, so the day starts at the morning, means the darker period of the day is end and the beginning of new day or sunshine starts. Okay, so it is called as morning. So it takes place during the sunrise time. Okay, and in the evening we tell that it is the evening, means when there is a sunset. Okay, at the time of sunset we say that now it is the evening. Understand? Means the shining part of the day is ends and darker part of the day, that is called a night, starts. Okay, so by the events, that is sunrise and sunset, we say it is morning and it is evening respectively. Understand? So we can measure the time of the day by events which are takes place in the nature as sunrise and sunset. Okay, so this means that we divide the day into 2 parts, day and night. Okay, so as per the suggestion given by the students, so from today's lecture I will explain you all the topics in Marathi also, so you can easily understand the concept in history. Okay, तर इतिहासामध्ये आपण ज्यावेळेस टाइम मेजर करतो किंवा मोजतो, तर त्यावेळेस अनेक व्यक्तींनी काय केलेले आहे की वेगवेगळ्या प्रकारचे टाइम मोजण्यासाठी वेगवेगळ्या प्रकारच्या पद्धती काय केलेल्या आहेत, तयार केलेल्या आहेत. ओके, तर आता टाइम मोजण्यासाठी आपण समजा जर दिवसाचा विचार केला तर आपल्याला माहिती आहे की सकाळी ज्यावेळेस सूर्योदय होतो, ओके, त्यावेळेस आपण काय म्हणतो की आता सकाळ झाली, बरोबर. म्हणजे ज्यावेळेस सूर्य उगवतो त्या किंवा सूर्योदयाचा जो वेळ असतो त्याला आपण काय म्हणतो, सकाळ झाली असं म्हणतो. आणि ज्यावेळेस सूर्यास्त होतो म्हणजे संध्याकाळच्या वेळेस 6:30 किंवा 7 वाजता ज्यावेळेस सूर्यास्त होतो त्यावेळेस आपण काय म्हणतो की संध्याकाळ झाली, बरोबर. म्हणजे सूर्योदय आणि सूर्यास्त आणि पुन्हा दुसऱ्या दिवशी पुन्हा सूर्योदय होण्याची जी वेळ आहे याला आपण काय म्हणतो, पूर्ण दिवस असं म्हणतो. तर दिवस मोजण्यासाठी आपण काय केलेलं आहे, मग सूर्योदय आणि सूर्यास्त या दोन वेळा काय केलेल्या आपण म्हणजे लक्षात घेतलेल्या आणि त्याच्यावरून आपण दिवस काय करतो, ठरवतो. ओके, म्हणजे दिवसामध्ये 2 सत्र असतात किंवा 2 भाग असतात, एक दिवस आणि दुसरा रात्र. ओके, म्हणजे सूर्योदयापासून तर सूर्यास्ताची जी वेळ आहे त्याला आपण काय म्हणतो, दिवस असं म्हणतो. आणि पुन्हा सूर्यास्तापासून दुसऱ्या दिवसाचे जो सूर्योदय त्याला आपण रात्र असं म्हणतो. म्हणजे त्यावेळेस तो एक पूर्ण दिवस आपला पूर्ण होतो. तर एका दिवसामध्ये 2 भाग असतात, एक दिवस आणि दुसरा रात्र. ओके, our earth rotates around its axis at a certain speed. Similarly, it also revolves around the sun. The sun has its own light. We receive light from the sun. However, we see light only in daytime. Nights are dark. How does this happen? Now you know that, for example, this is the earth, okay, and this is the sun. So earth have tendency to rotate, okay, it is continuously rotate, so that earth having 2 parts. For example, the sun, from the sun the sunlight is falls on the earth surface, so this half portion of the earth is shining on the day occur in that part, and the opposite part which is opposite to the sun, it is called as dark part of the earth. And in this dark part there is always night. Okay, so in this half part there is a day and other half part having night. Okay, and after this is the period of 12 hours. Okay, and this is also the period of 12 hours. Okay, after 12 hours this side goes towards this side and this side comes towards this side. Okay, so after 12 hours the side which having night it having day after 12 hours, and the side which having day for 12 hours it having night after that 12 hours. Understand? So continuously rotates after 12 hours. Okay, समजा आता पृथ्वी जी आहे पृथ्वीला स्वतःभोवती फिरण्याची काय असते, क्षमता असते. तर ज्यावेळेस सूर्यप्रकाश पडतो त्यावेळेस पृथ्वीचे 2 भाग जे असतात, सूर्यप्रकाशाचा जो अर्धा भाग असतो त्यावरती काय असतं, सूर्यकिरण पडतात आणि त्या भागावरती 12 तास काय असतो, दिवस असतो. आणि त्याच्या विरुद्ध दिशेला जो ऑपोजिट साइडला म्हणजे विरुद्ध बाजूला आहे, सूर्याच्या विरुद्ध बाजूला जो अर्धा भाग आहे त्यावेळेस त्याच वेळेस काय चालू असते, रात्र चालू असते, म्हणजे रात्रीची वेळ असते. आणि पुन्हा ह्या 12 तास झाल्यानंतर हा ज्या ठिकाणी रात्र झालेली आहे असा भाग तो पुन्हा दिवस असलेल्या भागात काय होतो, त्या ठिकाणी येतो. आणि दिवस असलेल्या भागात काय होते, रात्र होते. आलं लक्षात? तर दर 12 तासांनी दिवस आणि रात्र ही कंटिन्युअस प्रोसेस चालू असते. आणि त्याच्यामुळे मग 12 आणि 12 म्हणजे 12 hours plus 12 hours is equal to 24 hours and it becomes 1 day. Okay, so 1 day is divided into 2 parts, that is for 12 hours there is a day and remaining 12 hours there is a night. Understand? So we can divide a day by different events in the nature as day and night together known as one whole day. Okay, as the earth rotates around its axis, the part of its surface which turns toward the sun becomes bright. Now the part which is present toward the sunlight, it is bright for 12 hours. Understand? The part that moves away from the sun moves into darkness, and the remaining half part of the earth's surface which is opposite to the sun, it is always dark. It is also for the 12 hours. Understand? So the part that moves away from the sun moves into darkness. The earth takes 24 hours to complete one rotation. Now, when earth rotates around itself for one complete rotation, it requires how much time? 24 hours. It is 1 day. Okay. So these 24 hours are approximately divided into 12 hours of daytime and 12 hours of night time. Okay. So 24 hours are present in 1 day. So we can divide 12 hours as a day and 12 hours as a night. Okay. So these are the two parts. These 24 hours are approximately divided into 12 hours of daytime and 12 hours of night time. A period of daytime and the following night together makes a 1 day. From this information, we can clearly understand that in 1 day there is a 12 hours of day and 12 hours of night. Okay. म्हणजे आपण ज्यावेळेस एका दिवसाचा विचार करतो त्यावेळेस याच्यामध्ये एका दिवसामध्ये किती तास असतात? 24 तास असतात. ओके. म्हणजे पृथ्वीला स्वतःभोवती फिरण्यासाठी एक पूर्ण दिवस लागतो. म्हणजे आपण जर तासामध्ये जर मोजलं तर ते 12 आणि 12 असे 24 तास होतात. या 24 तासामध्ये 12 तास हा दिवस असतो आणि 12 तास ही रात्र असते. म्हणजे 12 तास दिवस आणि 12 तास रात्र दोन्हीचा मिळून आपण एक दिवस पूर्ण झाला असं म्हणतो. ओके. Did you understand up to this point? Now 7 days from Monday to Sunday. Now you know that how we can measure the day as 24 hours. This is the 1 day. Like this 1 day, the 7 days gives rise to 1 week. Now you know that how 7 days: Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. So these are the 7 days. So all the 7 days together known as 1 week. Okay? म्हणजे 7 दिवस. सोमवार, रविवार, सोमवार, मंगळवार, बुधवार, गुरुवार, शुक्रवार, शनिवार या सगळ्या 7 दिवसांचा मिळून आपण काय म्हणतो? एक आठवडा पूर्ण झाला असं म्हणतो. ओके. सो 7 days makes 1 week. 2 weeks make a fortnight. Okay. 2 weeks of a month is known as a fortnight. Then 4 weeks makes a month. Okay. म्हणजे 2 आठवड्यांचा आपण काय म्हणतो? 15वाडा झाला असं म्हणतो. त्याला fortnight म्हणतात इंग्रजीमध्ये. आणि 4 आठवड्यांचा मिळून एक महिना पूर्ण होतो. ओके. 4 weeks makes a month. 12 months make a year. So January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November and December. These 12 months together known as 1 year. Okay. So in this manner we reckon time in bigger and bigger unit. So which is the smaller unit of time? For example, second, after that minute, after that hour, then 1 day, after day, which is the bigger unit? Week, then fortnight, after that month, then year, then after 100 years means 100 years together known as a century. Okay, a century, and 1000 years are together known as millennium. Understand? So we can measure the time from the smaller unit up to the larger unit. Okay. 1 year is followed by another, and when 100 years go by, a century is completed. Means when 100 years completed, at that time we say that there is a century. Okay. When 10 centuries are completed, means 1000 years are go by, a millennium is completed. So when 10 centuries or 1000 years completed, at that time we say that there is a millennium. So now there is 2020. Okay. Now year, which year going on? 2020. So how many millenniums are go by? 2 millenniums are go by. Means at the year 2000 there are completion of 2 millenniums. Okay. So from this way we are able to divide the time. Okay. Now for the measurement of the time in prehistoric period or during the past event, it is considered as common era or the time before the common or Christian era. Okay. So from that, first we are going to learn what is meant by common era. Common era. Okay. So it is also called as Christian era. Okay. So short form is, what is the short form of this? CE. Okay. Common era, Christian era is the short form of measuring the time So Christian era or common era is started from 2020 years ago. Okay, means as our calendar, the now the present year is going on is 2020. So before 2020 years, this Christian era start or common era start. It is commonly known as CE. Okay, means Christian era or common era. So in the unilinear division of time, years that follow in one after the other are arranged in serial order. In history books also, a chain of events that follow one after the other is presented in a linear or serial manner. Okay, so from the year 1 up to now present there is 2020. So it is the period of Christian era or common era. Okay, means from the year 1 up to present the period is calculated as a Christian era or common era. In history book, a chain of events that follows one after the other is presented in the linear and serial manner. For this, usually we refer to common era. It is also called as Christian era, written in short as CE. Okay, Christian era or common era, or it is also written as AD. What is the long form of AD? Anno Domini. It is a Greek word, Anno Domini. It means that in the year of our Lord. Now, at the year 1 means Jesus Christ. From that period, the measurement of years is started in the Christian era. Therefore, it is called as Christian era, and it is also called as Anno Domini. It is a Greek language. The meaning of that Greek word is in the year of our Lord. Means from the birth of the Jesus Christ, the measurement of this time is started. Therefore, it is called as Christian era. Okay, the calendar we use today is based on the Christian era, now called the common era. This era begins in the memory of Jesus Christ. Okay, means from the birth or when the death of Jesus Christ takes place. After that, the measurement of time takes place. So this measurement is always in the memory of Jesus Christ. Okay, or this time is start from the Christian era, that is Jesus Christ, and it is in the memory of Jesus Christ. The first year of this era in the year when it began. Okay, from that time the first year is start to measure, and so now there is 2020 years. Means how many years ago this calendar started? Before 2020 years. Okay, so it is shown with the number 1 at that time. After that, the years after that are indicated by the next number. Means after year 1, 2, 3, 4, and up to now 2020. Okay, so the years after that are indicated by the next number in serial order. The first 100 years, that is first century of this era, is written as 1 to 100 CE. Means from year 1, from the death of the Jesus Christ up to the 100 years, it is called as 1 to 100 CE or 1 to 100 AD. Okay, so this is the method of writing the years from that period. Okay, from year 1 to 100 CE means common era or Christian era, or 1 to 100 AD means Anno Domini. The meaning of that term is the year of our Lord. Okay, so when the calendar started from the year 1 up to 2020, we say that, means for example the current year, that is 2020, we say that 2020 AD or 2020 CE. Okay, so these are the methods of writing the time. Okay, so remaining part of this lesson we are learning in next week. Okay, thank you.